it's me, and today we are playing some Flagscape 2. But wait, plot twist! It's pro servers. Yeah, someone just died. Yeah, they're not pro. I am. I'm pro, but I'm a terrible pro. Does that even make sense? Probably. Oh my gosh. I hate Disney movies. Okay. Let's go uppity, 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 up. Okay. Go like that. Oh! Savage kid. I'm probably the best kid YouTuber there is out there. Okay, got a wall jump here, jump there, jump here. Difficulty remains at hard. Good. The heck? They'll speak? Okay, I'm here now. Okay, good. It's not making that noise anymore. Yes! Thank you for locking it. Oh crap, that was the wrong direction. This music is so dope though. I have to admit, it is super dope. Dang it, I'm dead. That music was so dope though, I could listen to it all day, every night, all day, every day for the rest of your life till you're dead. So it's pretty much just Flagscape 2 but purple map. Yes! It's starting! It's starting! Sinking ship, I love this map. I love this map so much. Yeah, it's dope music, dope everything. Open! Please! Oh crap. I don't like going in places where there's water. I'm trying to survive here. Okay, this part is a first person mode. Oh crap. Turn, I gotta go. No, that map! Oh, that part is so hard. Dang it. No, it's just getting into the dope part of the map. The song, not the map. The map is never dope. 95 coins. I have 95 coins. That sucks. I suck. I can't defeat sinking the ship. And that's an easy map. Well, for this server, anyway. Oh crap! Dang it! Buddy. Everyone's saying hello. He's grinding to level 50. Grade 50. Same. But, Michael, I got speed glitch. Grade 6. Oh, get in here. Lost Desert. Oh, yeah. Get in. Oh, that goes to nowhere. That's just a useless piece of junk. Okay. No! No, I'm gonna die. I'm so gonna die. Okay. I need to get to... No! No, 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 no! No! Why is that map so hard for me? Ah, this is stupid! What map are you? Because I don't care for you. This is the hardest one of them all. I should go back to noob server. Because this game sucks that bad. What? He has speed hacks. It's back to insane. Oh, dark side. I don't know if I can do dark side anymore. This one used to be so dang hard for me. No, stop, please. No, no, no. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. No! That one is so hard. That's literally impossible. All of these are literally impossible. No one can do these. turn. Oh, what? That jump is impossible. How do people make that? This game is anything but easy. I beat Dark Side on grade 27. Oh crap. What? Yes. I don't know what to do now. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you liked it, please like and subscribe for more daily videos.